Good afternoon, folks. Today is the 1st of July, and it is the 18th day of the Tour of Discovery. I have and I'm just looking at that mountain over to my right, which would be actually to the north. And it's just, you know, a nice ride through a country road. Very, very quiet. You know, if one had to guess, one would not say that one is in New York State. Of course, you know, the northern part of New York State is not necessarily that crowded. So it's lovely when you can ride on these country roads. It doesn't have a shoulder, but as long as there's not much in terms of traffic, it's okay. Just a beautiful day. It's slightly windy. Just a perfect day for a ride. The temperature is great. It's a cool 73 degrees. So it's nice and chilly. Well, not chilly, but it's just cool. And it's just perfect. You know, to think that 10,000 years ago, all this area was covered by a mile of ice. Oh, look at that. We even get to see a little jet flying up there in the blue sky. But going back, yes, a mile of ice. And I've seen some boulders in several of the riverbeds, and you can tell that those boulders were left there by the glaciers that pushed them down. In fact, now, those of you that live in New York City, Central Park, if you look at the rocks on Central Park, they're all scraped. And they're scraped because of the action of the glaciers that moved that part of the country. Alright, to our first really first cat. See how they react together. Generated a very different reaction from last year. But last year, man, they get spooked and curious. Oh, no, they're getting curious. They're coming to the fence. Some of them are actually. They're wondering, what on earth is that? Look at that. Is that a human? Is that a horse? Look at this one. What is that? You know? Yeah, they're just curious. You know? Alright, very good. So far, my experience with dogs has been pretty much positive. I only had one case, and it was up in Maine, and again, psychology work. But for the most part, you know, owners either have the electrical fences, the hidden fences, that basically zaps the dog on the they have a collar and it zaps them, which, you know, it is unpleasant for the dog the first couple of times until they get accustomed that there is a boundary they're not supposed to cross. And so they have these electric hidden fences, and it really, well, it allows the dog to roam around the property, and it protects the pedestrians and just people that are the cyclists that are on the road. So I guess it's not that bad. Alright guys, I'm coming to the 4-minute mark, so I will catch you later.